Hello everyone, thank you. Welcome to my channel. So here is me trying to make chinchin without needing to put sugar. And I have the fat, I have flour, I have milk. I also added baking powder to it and cinnamon. So if you like, you can add any other thing you want. You're free to add yeast, you're free to add egg. Well, I decided not to add here because for that day alone I think I've already had like more than 6 eggs that I've already, so I was trying to reduce my egg consumption, so I decided not to add egg to the chin chin, but you can if you want to. You're free to add whatsoever it is to it. So trust me, with the peanut butter that I added and the milk, I decided not to put sugar because it was already sugary. And I just realized that wow, this is a thing. Then you don't really need to add sugar to your chin chin. So please, if you've been adding sugar to your chin chin, you don't need it. Just add milk and add the peanut butter. I'll be adding peanut butter, so please don't add sugar to your chin chin. You will love it you will love the taste. You can just try it at home. Try it at your leisure anytime you have flour or whatever. Just try it and follow the process. Thank you. Okay, so I'm about to start mixing now. I'm going to add the peanut butter, and I'll just get to scoop out of the bottle, like the container. I'll get to scoop from it and add to the flour, and I also add my baking powder and the cinnamon, and lastly I'm going to add cinnamon butter to it and make a perfect stir. I'm also going to add the milk. Sorry, I forgot the milk, but please don't do that when you're making yours. You need to put the milk. Apologies, I was supposed to get a measuring spoon. I only used my discretion while trying to make this video. Nothing was measured actually. All was done based on my discretion. I just used my eyes. You know how our mother used to do in those days, and they'll just be like, a pinch of salt is okay for the 2 cups of rice you have on fire. So that was exactly what I did here. Nothing was actually measured, which is not actually proper, I know. So please, when you're making yours, be sure to measure what you have so you don't have excess, and you're sure that everything is okay and intact and not too much for what it is you're doing. Maybe because I'm already, is what I do often, so I believe I have that confidence that okay, yes, I don't need to measure anything. Well, it's not a good kitchen etiquette. So that's me adding cinnamon to it. Just it's actually more than a pinch, and I can't call it a tad. So yeah, I added it and I decided to stir to just get the consistency I want, and I think the consistency is okay. So later I added the cinnamon butter to it. I'm making a stir now. Yeah, I love the consistency already. That's why I said not to add any other, that's why I said not to top up the ingredients I have already. Next thing is just to add the cinnamon butter now. Yes, you can see the way I was struggling with the cinnamon butter because I use the butter a lot anytime I want to spread jollof rice or anytime I want to make chin chin. So I had just a little left, which I believe it will be okay for what I just want to prepare. I didn't plan to make much. Mine is just to make a little chin chin for the evening because I was seeing this series on Netflix and I just need something to roll with it. So that's why I said to make a quick video and at the same time get some things done from the kitchen. So that's been squeezing the hell out of the butter from the nylon. It's actually funny. So that's little is okay because remember I've added milk already, so that's already fine for what I want. Thank you. Okay, so here's me stirring what I have on fire. I've already rolled it on the roller and the what's it called? I don't even know. Sorry, I just have that thing. I don't even know the name. Apologies, but you guys know what I'm talking about now. You know that thing that you used to roll chinchin. You now use knife to cut it and dice it. That's what I did after. And sorry, I didn't capture that part. So that's why it's not included in the video. And so here is me frying what I make, and guess what? It turned out so sweet and nice. See, I just go and try it and give me feedback. Thank you.